Hello, I am going to be talking to you guys a little bit about Math Worksheets for Kids today. This is an online resource that includes worksheets for not only math, but ELA, language arts, science, social studies, and a whole assortment a whole assortment of different age levels, as well as history and social studies. Um, although it says math, it is used for all different subjects and has those available for you. Um, the price of this website is $24.95 yearly. I bought it back in October when I was really struggling to come up with my own homemade problems, especially in math class, and I loved this as a resource where I could pull worksheets online that the kids didn't have access to so they couldn't get the answers. And it just helped with my brain and being kind of creative and not having to make every single math problem I was giving my kids all the time. Um, it's used for evaluating, applying, understanding, and remembering. It kind of uses all of the skills. It's on more of the educate side of the x-axis. It could be entertaining, but I definitely think it's more of an educational resource. Um, I used it a lot last year for printing off resources, but while doing my deep dive in further into this um, website for this week's assignment, I found that if you hit this online worksheets button here, it brings you in, again, divided by grade level. I'm going to scroll down to 7th grade because I teach 7th grade math, but you can go in and actually assign online worksheets to your kids. So something that my kids had a lot of problems with this year that I got to the point where I didn't know what else to do was that adding and subtracting integers. And I will flip to this one over here. And they go through and they can type their answer in every single time. I did a couple wrong just so you can see what it looks like when you get an answer incorrect. So here for number 1, I put 20, but it actually was negative 20. So it gives that student automatic feedback when you hit submit down at the bottom of the page, as well as a score. This could be used as a way to just do a quick assessment of the room, maybe as an exit ticket, something that's a little bit more um, technologically involved in the classroom, or you can actually assign it as a worksheet and it links it to your Google Classroom so that the students each get their own worksheet online that they can do on their own time instead of losing and getting losing track of their homework paper, which was something that my kids had a real problem with this year. So this has been really great for me, and I hopefully you guys will like it too. So bye.